Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Wiz back again with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Freewell Versatile Mattebox that I have right here. I'm going to go ahead and throw it on my A7S III, which has the the Sigma 24-70 lens on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, and I'm actually going to be using this, at least initially, in a little bit of a different way, a way that it's designed for it to use. I know the big thing with matte boxes, you can insert the filters, you don't have to use screw-on filters, but with this matte box in particular, you can actually use screw-on filters. I have the Freewell Variable ND right here that focuses, and I also have the 1/8 mist filter. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed, and then we'll put everything together. All right, so first things first, in the box, you have the matte box. You have an adapter ring, and you have a 67, 72 millimeter, 77, and 82 millimeter adapter ring for your matte box. And let's pull this thing out. And as you can see, here it is right here. It looks pretty sleek, if I may say so myself. I do say so myself. I like the touches of red here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. So this is where your filters will go in at. This is a little cover for it right here, so nothing is in there. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And also we have a nice quality case right here where the adapter rings go. So like I said, we have 67, we have 72, 77, and 82. So the 82 actually is already on here. So let's go ahead and get this on the camera. Got the adapter ring on there, and this you can just simply put on like that. Tighten it up. Boom, there we go. This is our versatile matte box. So as of right now, I don't have any filters. Actually, so let me explain. I actually did not even purchase the drop-in filters yet, because I literally bought this for a shoot that I have coming up. And like I said, the reason that I bought this matte box, or matte box in general, is because it's an outdoor shoot. And I noticed that last time I was shooting outside, like a run and gun interview, I had this real nasty just flare, this big glare of light just coming down, and I really did not like that. So I said, you know what? I know a matte box, would have prevented that. Also, too, I mean, look at this. The matte box just makes your camera look that much more just, professional, good looking. I really felt that it was just time to just invest in a matte box. And then once I started looking them up, I was gonna go with the small rig because it's a lot less than this. But once I saw how, the type of drop-in filters that you can buy for this thing, although I didn't get them right away, because what's the point when I kind of already have a variable ND. The variable ND and the circular polarizer that actually fits inside of this thing, I believe it was like $199, and then the glow mist filter, which I already have here as well, was like an additional $50. So I'm just gonna kind of just test it out as is with this variable ND that I already have. So let's go ahead and put this on. So as you can see, I have the variable ND screwed inside my matte box on my lens. Everything is attached well and ready for use. And like I said, man, I just really didn't want to pay $200 for a filter. I mean, granted, it would have been very convenient just to be able to spin the knob right here and just, increase or decrease my ND. But I think for first time use and just kind of, it's my first time ever having a matte box, and I really didn't have to spend the extra money. Why spend the extra money? Also, too, have a nice, space right here if I want to increase or decrease my ND on this threaded filter. So, I mean, a filter is a filter, but I will eventually get that along with the glow, although I do have the glow filter right here. So Freewell, all their filters are magnetic. So got my, ND right here inside the matte box, got my glow, boom, same thing. So as you can see that filter inside my matte box, I saved myself $250 to $300 by just getting the matte box alone. At least I future-proof myself to be able to, you know, get the gradient filter that comes with this, get the circular polarizer and the ND that comes with this, get the different type of glow filters, and I'm sure that they're gonna be, you know, probably releasing more filters or, you know, have the ND with the mist. So I feel like I'm in a good spot with this matte box. All right, so that's pretty much where I'm gonna leave it at with this video. Freewell Eiger Mattebox. I'm liking the way this thing is looking. I'm liking the touches of red, the style, the threaded filters, compatibility, the ability to get other filters, drop-in filters, you know, when I want. I'm really digging it. If you want to check out this matte box, I have it linked down in the description below, as well as my ND and my glow mist threaded filters. You can find all that down below. Probably gonna try to upload a video just, you know, showing myself maybe using this thing, or just maybe tap into more of the benefits of using a matte box. So if you're interested in that, interested in more videography videos coming in the future, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.